Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 8th, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, I'm on the 4 hour time frame on the euro dollar because it's kind of clearer to me on the 4 hour. If you go below that, you start to lose a little clarity. Now, especially looking at the US dollar index, I think that we are likely in a wave two right now. Wave twos can actually go all the way down and take out the low of wave four, which is way down there. But more than likely, I would expect it to go down to at least a 50%. When I'm trying to figure out which Fibonacci retracement level is going to work, I always like to look left. And the 50% definitely has a lot of support. The 61% definitely has a lot of support and resistance in the past. And the 78% definitely has a lot of support and resistance in the past. So I definitely would be looking at one of these three levels for a possible end of a correction. Now, because of the dollar index, I think we are likely already in a wave C, and more than likely, this is going to go down to one of these key Fibonacci levels, make like a double bottom, make an impulsive up, make a break of structure, and potentially end up continuing the uptrend. I don't know which level it is, but price will let us know by making that double top Fibonacci bounce. Until we get that on the 4 hour time frame, if you're trading below the 4 hour time frame, I would definitely be looking for shorts. I would expect this to potentially last all week and probably a good portion of next week before we actually do get a significant turn back to the upside. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.